Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to get the best print-on-demand profits with Gelato in 2025 using a full setup guide. Step 1. Sign up for a free Gelato account at gelato.com. Complete your profile and business info to access the dashboard. Step 2. Connect your store. Gelato integrates with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, and Wix. Follow the prompts to authorize your store connection. Step 3. Upload your designs. Make sure your artwork is high resolution and fits Gelato's print specs. You can use mock-up tools provided by Gelato to visualize your product. Step 4. Set your pricing strategically. Gelato shows you the production cost and allows you to set your own profit margin. Research your competitors' prices before finalizing. Step 5. Enable local production. In 2025, Gelato now offers localized printing in over 30 countries, and this reduces shipping time and costs, increasing your customer satisfaction. Step 6. Automate fulfillment. Once a customer orders, Gelato automatically produces and ships it without manual interventions. And now you are ready to start maximizing your POD profits using Gelato. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.